Guys, it's Tyler with Sheetgo. Here's a quick video to show you how to create your workflows and create some new connections. So we'll come to create a new workflow. Here's where we can choose from one of our templates, but today we want to make our own customized blank workflow. Let's call it, all right, we'll give it a name. And now we need to create a connection. And our first connection will come here. Later we need to choose this plus symbol when we decide to make more connections later. We can also share and edit from there as well. Let's click create a connection, select some files. So now when we select these files, it'll come directly from our Google Drive. We'll choose get started. Okay, and we can see our source tab is here with leads. If we have more, we can choose from there as well. Our new destination here, we have a new spreadsheet, and we're given a name here as SG Leads. Let's go ahead and change that to just Leads. All right, so we can change the name there as well, and then we can save our connection. So what happens is when you create a connection, you transfer data from one tab of one spreadsheet from the source to another spreadsheet, which will be the destinations. That's what we did here, and that's all inside of our workflow. All right, so now it's loading. All right, great. So let's click on it and see what we have. Okay, great. So now we have our new spreadsheet, and in the name here we have leads. All right, so anytime that you need help, feel free to reach out in the community, contact us with the question mark at the top right corner of the page, or check out our other YouTube tutorials. Thanks.